Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So I am again here with a new video around the Moodle itself, and in this video we'll see how you'll be able to change the value of any string in a database with a different one. Okay, so this is you see here you can directly open with your main LMS URL, then admin, then tool, then replace. Okay, so this will be your URL here admin tool replace, then you will find here db search and replace. So this particular concept name is known as db search and replace. So this is currently again considered in as an experimental, so not really recommended to have this one, but yeah, if required you can go for this one. So the changes made cannot be reverted, so you'll have to make sure whatever you are changing you are not going to revert that. And again, if you are going to revert, you can change back to that the previous one. But yeah, this thus a complete backup should be made before the script. Okay, so there may be some issue. So ideally, before executing this thing, it is recommended to have the complete backup of your database. Correct? Several tables are not updated as a part of text replacement. Okay, so since this feature is a part of text replacement, so several tables are not updated as a part of this. This includes configuration, log, event, session. Okay, so at all table the data will not be replaced. So this will be the part of configuration, log, events, and session table. Why? Because configuration based on your configurations maybe some other thing will be dependent, so that is why configuration is keep. And again the log is something whatever you have made till date, till the time I'm recording, whatever I have made this in the system, that is something have been logged. Okay, so that is for the history purpose, so it will not be changed. Same goes for event and same goes for the table. Okay, so the first thing you see here, the DB search and replace, search whole database for this term. Let's say I have to search test and I have to replace with the small test, so I can go for. Okay, so this is basically the feature have come included in the Moodle because of you migrated your site and you have a different URL and somewhere you have used the hard coded URL. So in that purpose, you can go for changing your this URL to a new URL. You have also option here. You can skip tables in case you need. So you can put here the multiple table names separated by comma. And yeah, so additional check here. I understand the risk of the operation. Then you will have to go for that. Okay, so let's see. I am going to this. If I click, I will be done for this. Okay, but I am not going to test here. If required, you can go for this one. So this is all from this video. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.